in cause number 2021 DCV 3996 Paseo del Este Municipal Utility District 1 versus the City of El Paso, Texas, et al. Announcement of council, please.
Harold Davis for Paseo del Este, Your Honor. We're ready this morning.
Morning, Your Honor, or good afternoon. Stephen Weller for the El Paso Water Utilities Public Service Board, and Sarah Lavashowski, also with my office for EP Water.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. It looks like we've got two things. This is set for a motion for a continuance and also for a final status conference. So let's talk about the motion for a continuance first. Whose motion is that?
It's an agreed motion, Your Honor, and actually we discussed this with Judge Perez a couple of weeks ago. She was agreeable to moving it. One of the reasons is not just the amount of work involved, but this is going to be a special setting. She'd set aside a week in July, and we gave her a time estimate. It's going to take 2 weeks to try this case. And so we need to get a new date that we can have a 2-week special setting because of the nature of the case. And we need an expanded jury pool because the parties are going to be pretty well known to the local constituents. And that's where we were at on that.
Okay, so both sides are agreeing to a continuance. Is there an order granting that continuance and setting it yet?
I sent a proposed order when I sent in the motion. And then Mr. Weller, did we ever send in the agreed order I sent to you?
I don't believe so. I think we agreed to remove the deadlines regarding experts because we didn't want to restart that aspect of things,
right,
being already designated on both sides.
So yeah, so we need to amend the order so that you get a new scheduling order, but the expert deadlines stay in place. But we're ready to move on that, Your Honor.
Okay, well, Mr. Hernandez, can we give them a new trial setting where they can have 2 weeks?
And we're looking at the first of next year, Your Honor, given everybody else's schedule and the judge's schedule.
Judge, so Judge Perez has been studying trials now in April and May. I have May 4th or April. Let me make sure, please.
That's May 4th of next year?
Yes, May 3rd.
All right.
Can we
That's as quick
start?
as we can do it? All right, if that's as quick as we can do it, that's as quick as we can do it.
Can we do it a week after? I have a trial on the 29th already, Your Honor, a death case.
Can you back it up a week, Mr. Hernandez?
I also have April 26th, Judge, if that works for them.
No, yeah, my death trial starts on April 29th.
Oh, okay. Then yes, that should work the following week then. On
May
8th.
8th.
And that's
Weller and
2 weeks,
Slavashowski, are you all good with that date?
Yes, Your Honor. If that's the earliest we have available to us, yes.
And if for the court's benefit, we need to set aside the 2 weeks after that for this case. So it'll be a 2-week special setting.
So that would be, the jury selection would be May 10th. And then we would have the 2 weeks after that. Is that okay?
Yes.
Okay, I'll send you the new scheduling order.
And you said you needed a really large panel. How many people are you asking for?
I was thinking 100 to 120 would be necessary.
And Ms. Labashowski and Mr. Weller, you agree? You're going to need that many jurors?
I think that's reasonable, Your Honor, because of the fact that we're speaking about two public entities.
All right. Well, let's go ahead and request a large panel.
Judge, if I may,
Yes.
just for the parties to know that usually Judge Perez would do jury selection starting on the 9th. She'll have both panels, the 9th and then the 10th. So jury selection would actually start on the 9th.
Okay.
Thank you.
I think I'm not sure of this because I am just occasionally a visiting judge, but for spacing during the COVID era, which to some extent is still continuing. Sometimes they have one panel, half the panel come in one day. And you go
Okay.
through for an hour and get some jurors, and then we do it again the next day. Are we still doing that?
May I, Judge?
Yes, Judge.
Yes, yes. Mr. Marufo, are we still doing that?
We're securing right now for bigger panels, either Commissioner's Court or the ceremonial room, and there's no restriction on the amount of.
Okay, so people can sit right next to each other and we can
Yes,
we can get everybody in on one day.
Yes, sir.
I picked 2 juries already this year, Your Honor, and they sat them really really close together.
Well, I'm glad we're doing that. I hope it's safe and it'll work a lot better. Okay, so that is the motion for continuance. And it was set for a final status conference. I don't think you're ready for that yet. So let's, do we want to reset the final status conference for sometime in spring of next year?
Yeah, and that's part of her scheduling order, Your Honor, that we'll get. So we don't,
Okay,
so it'll be on that. We had a motion to compel set today too, but if it's not been assigned to you, which doesn't surprise me, then Judge Perez will be resetting that.
okay. It's not assigned to me. I'm not going to usurp her authority. So, okay. Is there anything further from either of you at this time?
There's not, Your Honor.
Okay, you've got your new settings, so good luck to both sides.
Thank you, sir. Appreciate you. Nice seeing you.